Max, a small but loyal terrier, lived in a quiet village with his owner, Mr. Benson. One day, Mr. Benson asked Max to guard a basket of fresh bread while he ran an errand. "Don't let anyone take it, Max," he said. As Max sat by the basket, a sneaky cat named Whiskers tried to snatch a loaf. "Just one bite, Max," Whiskers purred. But Max stood firm. "Mr. Benson trusted me. I won't let you take it." Soon, a hungry crow swooped down. "You won't miss one piece," it cawed. But Max barked loudly, scaring it away. When Mr. Benson returned, he found the basket untouched. "Good boy, Max," he said, rewarding him with a delicious bone. The villagers heard about Max's loyalty and praised him for being so trustworthy. From that day on, Max became the village's most trusted guardian, proving that honesty and loyalty always earn respect and love. Moral: trust is earned through honesty and loyalty. Thanks for watching.